Hello everyone, welcome to English and German classes by Kanishka Jain. Or hello, as today's class is a German class. So, hello, what is hello or hello? It's a greeting, right? We're greeting each other. Or I am greeting you right now, right? So, let's learn some formal greetings today, what they are like. Okay? So, what are the some common greetings that we use? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, right? So first of all, greeting in German is Gruessung. Here you can see you having an E after. This is actually an umlaut. An umlaut are two dots above vowels in German, which is given by an E in English. When the same word of German is written in English, then instead of an umlaut, wherever it is used, we use an E instead after that letter. So here the U has an umlaut in German, but as I'm writing in English here, so I wrote it E and E after U and double S. Now where do we see double S in the end in English? But this is again a German word a letter that I am writing in English, which is B capital with a vertical line below it. So that is double S, Grussung. So greetings in German is Grussung. I hope this was helpful. Next is Guten Morgen. Now, the first thing that we do and say to everybody when we wake up, if you are a kid, when you wake up, and the first thing you say to your mom and dad is good morning. The first thing you say to everybody you meet in office or school that you care and look up to is good morning, right? Or you're formally obligated to wish to. So that is good morning, and good morning in German is guten, good, morgen, which is morning. Okay. Now you have had your lunch and now you have to wish somebody in office about like somebody came late and you're wishing them, that's your friend. So, or in a formal way, obviously, your boss or your teacher or somebody that you are obligated to wish to show respect. So that's good afternoon. So that is guten Nachmittag. So nach means after, NaCH here means after, and Mittag is half day. So after half day, good after half day, or good after afternoon. If I verbally translate this, this is Guten Nachmittag is good half day, after half day. And if I translate this like how it is, it's good afternoon. Therefore, Germans don't use this much. Germans use Guten Tag instead of Guten Nachmittag, which just means good day. It's Guten and TAG Tag day. Okay, now we are it's 4 in the evening and somebody came to your house and apparently they don't know Hindi. So how do you greet them? You say good evening, right? So that is Guten, good, and Abend is evening. So Guten Abend. Now you're going to sleep, you have to wish your parents, you have to wish your close ones, you have to wish your relative or something, some friend that you love or like a lot. So that is good night, right? You say good night, or GN nowadays is how we use it. So that is Gute, good, Nacht, that is night. So you can see I just said good is Guten in this whole video. And in the end I say Gute is also good. How come? Actually, good is just good. Just good is good. Good itself only means good. So when why I'm saying guten, 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 and guter here then, right? So it's just like Hindi. What a coincidence! What a beautiful coincidence that just like Hindi adjectives change gender. If you have noticed, when they are used as nouns. So like वह एक सुंदरी है. So when you want to say a beautiful woman, you don't say you like you can say a sundar is istri, but what do you say as a noun? You say sundari. So whenever similarly in German, Whenever in an adjective, which is good, right? Good is an adjective. So, which is good hair. Whenever an adjective comes just before a noun, just before, not here and there, just before. In the noun, its ending changes. Okay. Now, how do we know this? That its ending changes according to what? It changes according to the noun's gender. Morgan here is a masculine word. Okay. Now, how can morning be masculine? Just like in Hindi, again, beautiful coincidence. Just like in Hindi, Nadi beh rahi hai. Now, Nadi has no gender in reality. But in Hindi language, it is a female word. Whereas Pahad khada hai. So, Pahad has no gender in reality, but in Hindi, it is a male word. Similarly, morning in German is a male word. M. You can just write M here. Masculine. Nachmittag is masculine in German, and Abend, evening, is masculine, but Nacht is feminine, female. And whenever there is a female word, we use A, which is E in English, but in German it's pronounced A. A as ending of the adjective. So therefore, this is gute Nacht. I think that's a lot today. I hope you are able to absorb it. And that's it for the day. Bye. Or auf Wiedersehen.